Welcome aboard. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Ron. This is Bad Boats, and this is your boating news. Well, I hope everybody had a happy Halloween, so let's get right to it. The first clip you're going to see today is actually from the Dry Tortugas, where a Coast Guard had to rescue a sailboat that was in distress, and you're going to see the rescue swimmer deploying, bring the person back, and get them in the basket. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Guys, you never know when an accident's going to happen. Now, I don't know which country this happened in, but there was a group of fishermen that were going out, and their boat capsized, and some other fishermen had to bring them to their vessel and rescue them. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Only strong, easy troll. Papa, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, troll. Papa, sit down, go down, sit down, go down. Yeah. Sit down, go down. Hand. Pull him all. Only lapun man, eh? Sí. Labun man. Ha? Labun man. No. Hey. Go. Volusia more. Wait. Drop him all on reef. Reef, tola. Only them.
You know, being on the boat and being on land, you never know what you're going to confront, especially if you're a law enforcement. This happened a while back in Volusia County, where the deputies got a report of a person trying to burglarize a boat, and he decided to go for a little swim. So let's go ahead and take a look at the video.
Hey, what are you doing, man? All right, come over here to us right now, okay? All right, if I have to come in there and get you, it's going to be not a good day, okay? So do you want to do this the hard way or the easy way? You walk up there right now, or I'm going to come in there and we'll walk up there together. How about that? All right, well, are you done?
I want to know why y'all are chasing me, bro.
Are you done?
Am I done what? What did I do?
Mess around in the water. Go on the land and we'll talk to you. How about that?
That was crazy, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong.
It is crazy. You're in the water. Get out of the water.
Y'all are mad because I'm in the water swimming.
You got one more opportunity, okay?
And then what?
And then I'm going to come in there and get you. We'll walk to the shore together. How about that? Look here, you hold my camera.
Yeah, I got you. Put it right here. You make us get wet, bud. It's going to be a bad day.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out our other channels at Boat Mania, and also our newest channel from Haulover Inlet, which features the man and machine versus Haulover Inlet, and that is Haulover Boat Battles. And make sure you hit that notification button and subscribe, and make sure you leave those comments below, because I really appreciate it and I'd like to hear from you. Thank you very much, guys, and have a good day.